Today's topic is basic of pronunciation with letter C. C A K, C I K, C O K, C U K, C H. Next, three letter words with CH. C H Ch, C H Ch, C H U Ch, C H Ch, C H O Ch, C double H. Next, some four letter words. C H double Ch, C H double O Cho, C H A I Chai, C H A U Cho, C H A H, C double H A Ch, C double H I Chi, C double H U Chu. Next, five letter words. C double H double E Chai, C double H double O Cho.